Today I'm going to show you several different stitches you can use for applique. I've chosen this image for our Halloween project. The first step is you want to take your seam to seam and you want to trace your photo. If the direction of the image is important to you, make sure that you mirror image, scan, and print this. Didn't matter to me, so I just took mine and I traced it right off. You want to make sure that you trace each individual little shape. So you want to make sure you trace for the little cheeks and his eyes and the needle, all separate. As you can see, I made them different colors. When you have all of your shapes cut out, you then want to, as you can see, I've placed my smaller pieces already on and ironed those down. Once you have your complete shape all put together, you want to take it and you want to peel the back off and position that on your fabric and then press it into place. Now that we finished ironing, I'm going to show you 3 of the methods you can do to finish your applique. The first one is the no-sew method, which it's complete once you iron it. The second one that I'm going to show you is the blanket stitch. The blanket stitch is a neat decorative stitch that finishes the edge. So it's going to sew along the edge and then it's going to jump to the center to hold that down in place. But I like it because it's a neat finish. The next thing we're going to show you is the satin stitch, and I've chosen to do that around the eyes because it fills in a smaller space and it's easier to do. The trick with a satin stitch is making sure that you stay on the edge of the fabric. Keep your foot centered on the edge of the fabric. There is a little notch that you can just line that edge up against. So those are the 3 most common ways to apply applique. If you have any questions or would like a little help, please contact us here at Nebraska Quilt Company.